Hey guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting up December with the December club kits from Spellbinders. If I can get my camera straight. There we go. That's a little bit better. Anyway, this isn't everything that's in the collection, but it is what I have so far. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've got. This is called Friendship is Everything. And in case you didn't notice, even though we're going into December, this is not going to be Christmassy stuff, because by the time the club kits actually come out, it's going to be too late. So this is all the things going into January and February with all of our friendship cards and those kind of things. Anyway, we've got Friendship is Everything, which is a pretty glimmer set with the lovely flowers that you've got a board or die to cut them out if you choose to, and a couple of fun sentiments. Then we've got, again, Valentine's theme. We've got the Heart Swag. This is a lovely embossing folder. Look at that. I think that is so cute. So I'm going to have fun with that one. Then we have our clear stamp and die of the month with a lot of fun sentiments, and haven't exactly figured out what the... Oh, dadgummit. Now I understand it. I've been looking at this wondering, what is the reason for the alphabet? So the only letters that are left out are I, O, U. Or I heart you. So this could actually be stamped in there. You could do it in 2 different colors. I think I'm going to try that. Yeah, I just figured it out. Yeah, I've been looking at this for a couple of weeks actually, because I got the stuff early and I'm like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Now I understand. So this is going to be super fun to use. Okay, I'm happy. And then we've got Blooming Hello with a humongous H. Basic big focal point, and then we've got E, L, and O, so it's going to be E, L, L, O. We've got hello, so we've got the whole word. It's going to be nice. Yeah. So anyway, I'm happy with that. And then we've got a lot of flowers to decorate it all up. This is going to be so super pretty. Better press. As always, we've got a lovely design and a couple of sentiments, so that's going to be fun. I may break out I may do with this when I'm doing my glimmer. Yeah, that may be a thing. And then this one that I've got here is actually something that you get with the Caboodle bundle. And it's a little monster. I think that is so cute. So this is You're My Favorite Monster, and I think that is super cute. And I am also looking forward to getting the large die of the month. Just wait till you see that. I may talk about that later, but anyway, I don't have that, so I am like you. I am ordering that, and I should be getting it mid to late January. So mid to late December. So that is going to be super fun to play with. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started with some of this. And let me go ahead and show you the cards that I've made. I am going to be releasing some videos showing step by step and process of all of these. So let's start off with the Glimmer of the Month. This one, I did some hot foiling on vellum, and it just is so pretty. And love how that one turned out. And of course, since we're playing with foil on vellum, I had to do the same thing with the Better Press. Look at all of that detail. I love how this one turned out. Paired it up with a gold on black sentiment. Then we've got that stamp and die of the month, and I made 3 cards using that and the embossing folder. So this is how that works with the alphabet, and then the I heart you, because it comes in, it's like the heart is in place of the O. It's like, oh, that makes sense. So I made that one and that one and that one. So I've got 3 of those lovely cards, all paired up with the You Make My Heart Smile. And then we've got the hello, the blooming hello, and I used the embossing folder of the month too, and added a bunch of flowers that are included in the set and a bunch of gems to top it all off. So those are the cards that I made using the Spellbinders club kits this month. I'm probably going to be making some more things, because one thing I have not used yet is this little guy, You're My Favorite Monster, which is the Caboodle bonus. So this is going to be so fun to create with a cute little monster. And I do have the large die of the month is on its, will be on its way as soon as they start shipping. Anyway, you guys have a wonderful day. The first video should be going up probably tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.